Most women don't realize this, but their entire life is shaped from one place within their body. And if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling disconnected, or like things are not flowing, you need to listen closely. Your womb is not just a body part. It is a living energetic temple. Inside your womb is a sacred system that most women were never taught. There is a throne room. This is where your queen energy lives. There is sacred waters that carry your magnetism and your emotional frequency. There is a manifestation center where your reality is being shaped before it even appears in life. So when your womb is heavy, when your womb is blocked, when she's numb or even ignored, your life reflects that back to you. Not as a punishment, but as information. Your womb is constantly broadcasting a frequency. It is speaking to your relationships, your money flow, your self-worth, your ability to receive. And here is what most people don't tell you. During your ovulation time, your womb is at its peak of creation. This is when your body is literally aligned with manifestation power. Not just for babies, for life, for vision, for desire, for next steps. And deep inside your womb temple, there is an oracle room. This is for your intuition. That voice that knows before you can even explain it. That pull that you feel towards something or away from it. That clarity that doesn't come from logic, but from truth. The more you enter this space consciously, the louder your inner guidance becomes. When a woman trusts her inner oracle, she stops chasing life and life starts responding to her. If this has activated something in you, this is just the beginning. I teach women how to fully activate their womb temple, heal their energy, and unlock their magnetic power inside my mentorship program, Phenomenal Woman. So if you're ready to go deeper, go to my bio link and connect with me. And don't forget to follow me for more teachings that are going to awaken your feminine energy. And I will see you soon.